excited for what we're going to do. So, we'll start out. It's a frozen bird and a single gunshot here. Hey, up, 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 up. What do you got? Hey, what do you got? Good girl. Good. Come here. Hey. Good. Good. All right. Good. Good. You'll see a little bit of that possessiveness, but also when she's coming back, we're trying to pet her. Hey, you come back to us, we're going to pet you. We're not necessarily going to steal this from you, because if we just steal it, she's going to be more possessive. Now, of course, Matt's got the check cord. He's able to reel her in. Now, I'm going to do some multiple shots with her. Ready? Hey, up, up, up. Notice how that focus stayed on that bird the whole time out. Hey, what are you doing? Close. What are you doing? Go me. What are you doing? Good girl. Good. And you'll see, kind of a fight to get it back, but I'd rather have that right now than her afraid of it. And notice when I shot the gun 3 times, she stayed focused on that bird. Now I'm going to throw out a live bird. I'm going to shoot first. When I shoot, watch her reaction to just hearing a gunshot, but I'm also then going to throw out this live bird. Notice when she heard the shot, she took off running toward the gun. Then when you get that clipper, she's after it. Boom, I'm going to grab that bird. Good girl. Hey, good girl. Oh, what do you got? What do you got? And then we have to kind of finesse it. Now, she didn't kill it, but if we let her, eventually that kind of comes into play. Now I'm going to grab a couple flyers here so I can flush one. But the big thing we want is that gunfire, she's running out to it. Hey, I heard a gunshot. I'm gonna go get that bird. I'll grab a couple live birds here. Oh, what do I got, Chole, huh? What do I got, a bird? What do I got, Goofy? All right. All right. Girl. All right. You ready, huh? Hey, up, 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 up. Okay. Now, that's part we want, that flush. And notice, she flushed it, she kept after it. There was no hesitation, no looking at a shotgun shell. Hey, good girl. Oh, what do you got? What do you got? Good girl. Up. Good. We'll go ahead and flush one more. But you can see that focus is on me. It's on that bird. It's on that gunfire. Hey, up, 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 up. What are you doing? You want more? All right, let's do one more, huh? We do more? All right. Okay. Hey, the girl close. What do you got? Now here's where that check cord comes in handy. She decided, well, hey, look at this prize. Where that check cord, we can reel her in. That's probably one of the biggest keys is a check cord. Because without it, what happens? She kind of runs the show. Good girl. Up. And you kind of see that mouthiness, but like I said, from day one to today.